Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Suhail, your maths teacher, and in this video we will learn about how fractions are added and how fractions are subtracted. So first of all, we will start from addition. How fractions are added. Suppose students, I have two fractions, that is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So whenever we have to add fractions, there will be two cases. First case will be that denominators of the fractions will be same, and second case will be denominators of the fractions will not be same. So first of all, I am going to use denominators that are same. Whenever denominators of a fraction are same, what we have to do, we will write that denominator as it is. We don't have to do anything with this denominator. So whenever denominators of fractions are same, they are said to be as like fraction. So when we have to add like fractions, what we do, we just write the denominator as it is, then we add the numerator. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is our answer when we add like fractions. So students, moving forward, when we add unlike fractions, suppose 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. So here we have two different denominators. What we do, we make LCM of these denominators 7 and 5. These two are prime numbers. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this by 7 1 are 7, 5 here, 5 1 are 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So we have changed the here, our LCM is 35. What we multiply to 7, it becomes 35. Here is the case when we multiply 7 by 5, it is 35. So same is the case with the numerator. We multiply the same number to the numerator as well. Then move forward. When what we multiply to this 5 to get 35, that is 7. So we will multiply 7 here. 7 5 are 35. So same is the case with the numerator. So we have to multiply this 7 to the numerator. So 3 5 are 15 by 7 5 are 35 plus 2 7 are 14 by 5 7 are 35. So here we have converted these unlike fractions into like fractions. So here denominators are same, so we will write one denominator here. So add numerators, 15 plus 14, that is 29 by 35. This is answer for our fraction. So here students, this is about how we add like and unlike fractions. But students, there is one more case with these fractions. So there is a case when there is a mixed fraction. Suppose I will do the same fraction, I will take these two same fractions, and now what we have got, we have got a mixed fraction here. So this is very much easy. So what we are going to do, we are going to, as you all know, multiply this denominator to this and add this one then to this. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2, and our denominator will be same. So 3 by 7 plus 5 1 are 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5. So students, here now these fractions have become unlike fractions. We have converted these into unlike fractions as we did earlier. 7 and 5, we found LCM of 7 and 5. So that was 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So our LCM was 35. So what we are going to multiply this 7 to make it 35, that is 5. Same will be multiplied to the numerator plus 5. What we multiply 5 to get a 35, 7. So same is the case with the top number or the numerator. 3 5 are 15 by 35 plus 7 7 are 49 by 35. So students, we will add this 49 plus 10 is 59, plus 5 is 64 by 35. Students, we have got the answer now, that is 64 by 35. So this was situation how we add fractions. So now students, moving to subtraction of fractions as well. Suppose we have got 5 by 8 subtracting 2 by 8. So students, here is the same case when fractions are like. Here fractions are like, so what we are going to do, we are going to do nothing with denominators, we will subtract numerators. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and denominator is 8. So our answer is 3 by 8. Moving forward, this was about when fractions are like. So students, now the question as we did in addition, that if we have unlike fractions, suppose 5 by 2 subtracting 1 by 3. 5 by 2, so we will subtract 1 by 3 from it. But students, we will use a mixed fraction here, so that it will help you to learn both types in one go. So 5 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That is 5 by 2. It is a fraction here, but here it is a mixed fraction. So 3, we will multiply these two and then add the product with 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 divided by 3. Our denominator does not change when we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 by 2 minus 3, 1 are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. 4 by 3, sorry. So 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3. So we have to subtract this now. What we are going to do, we will take these denominators and found LCM of these denominators. So 2, 1 are 2, 3 here. So 3, 1 are 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So students, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. What we are going to multiply to this 2 to get 6, that is 3. So same is the case with the numerator. We multiply numerator with 3 as well. So here this 3, what we multiply to this denominator to become 6, that is 2. Same is the case with the top number. We multiply 4 with 2. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, by 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, minus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, divided by 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So students, we have got now the fractions as like fraction. So what we are going to do, we are going to take these like fractions denominator, that is 6. So 15 minus 8. So I will write it here, 15 minus 8 divided by 6. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 8 from 15, that is 7 by 6. So students, this is our answer. So students, in this video we learned how fractions are added and subtracted. Firstly, we check the denominators of the given fractions. If they are like, then we will do addition of numerators or subtraction of numerators as will be given. But when there are fractions that are unlike, they have different denominators, what we do at that time, we change those fractions into like fractions by using LCM method, and then they become like fractions, and then we solve them. So students, this was all in today's class. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.